Okay, everybody, you know how crazy I am about StrongBlock and how much money can actually be made utilizing Strong. So let's get straight into this video. Today, what I'm going to show you is how much money exactly you make every day, how much you make every week, how much you make every month, and how long it takes for you to get your investment back. So let me share my screen really quick and let me show you exactly the numbers behind this. So over here, my buddy gave me a little Excel sheet that kind of generates this. So right now, I have 4 nodes. Current price of Strong is around $700. It's actually down right now. Follow the dip, guys. It's actually down right now. So number 4 nodes is what I have. Price of Strong, 700, around 706 really, but whatever. Don't worry about any of this, tax, claims, base, whatever. Don't worry about that. Number of bronze, silver, gold, platinum. That was just the NFTs that you have. So for StrongBlock, you actually are able to get NFTs that what it does is just multiplies the money that you make from it. So we go over to here, for example, T sales over here. You have a silver, gold, and platinum. And they're all sold out. I figured. Load up. So you can see it. Cool. That's what they look like. Go price 700. So what this equates to is every single day you're making 0.36 strong. 0.36 strong would make $256 a day. Per week, you're making around 2.56 strong, which is around $1,700. Per month, you're making 10.97 strong, which equals 7,680 bucks a month. Every year, you're making 133, which is that means 93,000 is what you're making from it. All right. And now this is just a couple of more numbers, but really quick before we get into that, let's just talk about if I got my money back. So if we do the run some numbers over here per month over here right now. So well, actually, how much money do I have into right now? 4 nodes, price of Strong 700. What we're going to do is 700 because it takes 10 strong to make 1 node. 10 strong makes 1 node every month. That 1 node gives you 3 strong. So realistically, in 3.33 months, you make money back. So let's just do the numbers real quick. $700 right there times 4 nodes. Times 40. My bad. Because 4 times 10. And you have $2,800. 28,000. 28,000. My bad. 2,800. $28,000 is what I have into it. Now, if you look at this per month, 7,680. So if I just do 28,000 divided by 7,680, I make my money back in 3.64 months. Okay, so in 3.64 months is when I have all my money back. I already have my money back, right? And I just reinvested it back into here. Is what I do, and that's kind of where this comes along here. Some more goals. Don't really need to worry about that. Pretty much the entire point of the video is that you get your money back in literally 3.3 months, 3.6 months, 3. Whatever months is what you make it back. And that's pretty incredible, guys. So is StrongBlock worth it? Yes, absolutely. Being one of those type of crypto investments that is like 100% passive, all you got to do is once a month come back in there, pay your node fees, $20 per node. Okay. So if I have 4, $80 in total. But yeah, completely worth it, guys. And we actually have, I want to go through this really quick. We actually have a couple other ones that we actually make passive income through too as well, that we're keeping on the DL that we only are giving to our Discord members, our membership, the guys that are in our Only Crypto Fans membership. So you guys are interested in making passive income like this. If you guys are looking for the new best passive income generating assets, click the link down below. Join our Only Crypto Fans little group, a little membership, only $97 a month. Guys, you're making so much more than that. Join that little group and constantly be informed of the next greatest, best income producing asset, passive income producing asset that's out there. Not only do we do like yield farms or staking and passive income producing assets, but we also do hot NFT crypto callouts, other crypto gaming callouts. We also do pre-sales on there, whatever we find that will make you guys money. Things that we're actually investing in, me and my team are actually investing in, is what we actually post on there. So I don't make this video too long, but guys, if you're interested in joining that little team of only crypto fans, a team of hustlers that realistically we're doing the research for you, a team that would just literally tell you exactly where for what we're investing in, when we're investing in it, click the link down below, join our team of only crypto fans, and I'm sure you guys won't. I'm positive you guys won't be disappointed because like anything I have, guys, you have 100% money back guarantee. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you up there. Where's that? That's the top right there. See you guys at the top. Peace out.